So one of the things I forgot to mention is, how did I get this bottom sheet on without my roof helper here to sit on? Because for the rest of it I was able to, I had a safety net there. And I could have gotten a harness and done all that, but there's usually another way. And in this case, I can reach halfway over from that scaffolding. Sitting on this roof, which is good and safe, I can reach pretty much the other half. Yes, a little gap in there, but I don't need screws all the way. I don't, there's a gap between screws. So it turned out that I had a piece of aluminum that was long enough to go about halfway. So I put that one on, and I could reach to the point that the overlap would be. And then I went and cut this piece of aluminum and put this one on from up here, got it in position the best I could, and put one screw in. That way I could go down there and pivot that. And it turned out I was about 1/4 inch off, so I just pushed it up 1/4 inch, and then I started screwing across. Or put one screw in there, then went down the scaffolding, came back up on the roof on here, and then I was able to reach over, it's only like 2 feet, and put the other screws in. So sometimes you can't worry about exactly how you're going to do things ahead of time. I mean, you try to, but sometimes you just have to think it, give it some thought, and then the best scenario, will come to you. And then always think safe, but usually there's a way to do it. Could have probably done a ladder, could have got the harness, put in a really good brace there, extra strapping to make sure I'm extra secure, and then sat on here and done it that way. But I prefer to do it the way I did it, because I'm sitting down and feel good and safe this way too. Okay, so this is all done. This part of it's all done. So now we're going to go down and do some caulking and get ready to prime the edges. And later on we'll paint them and get ready to take the scaffolding down so we can pile more firewood. Looking really good here. Oh, I need to trim some tree yet. Let's get trimming.